So, what's up mga kaori? I'm new vlogger. You know, new vlogger is the best. So, mga bagong vlogger dyan, it's up to you to upgrade yourself to this vlog. So, right now guys, mayroon akong malupitang prank. Prank on my brother. The title is Prank Nasaksak Ako. Nilang muna natin siya guys. Then I have a ketchup right now. So hindi ako mag-prank. This is my first vlog guys. So it's first prank vlog. So that is kapit ng mag 7 guys. So time is 6:40 na guys. So mag-ayos na tayo and guys, isi-set up na natin yung camera guys. Baga, patago lang guys. Siyempre, prank pa dito. So, gari ka na ng acting. Saksak ako. Saksak. Parang ganun guys. So guys, nandito ako guys. Hawak ko ngayon yung camera guys. Tsaka, isi-set up ko ngayon yung camera. Baka kasi dumating na siya. Hindi naman niya may kitang ketchup to guys kasi madilim dito guys. Medyo may na lang yung ilaw guys. So good luck guys. Sana wish me luck. Oh, ganda pa ng costume ko.
Thousand years later.
Yan ang maskihan ko. Ang dali.
Halata, insultan. Halat kayo. Rugi.
Ang mas... Sakit pa. Asam sa mo ba dito? Wala kitap.
Cut, cut, cut.
Ay kitap ya asaman ko.
Cut, cut.
Asaman.
Cut.
Sakit pa ka. Guys. So yun guys. Nahuli tayo guys. Nakita niyo na yung ketchup guys. So pranks is gone wrong. Sarap pa naman guys. So nandito na lang tatapos yung vlog ko guys. First vlog prank. So that is please like and subscribe guys. Help me to upgrade my channel. So thank you for all guys and welcome. Bye bye.